Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Now, as you saw our video on today, we will be unboxing our base box of BoxyCharm, okay? For those of you who are not familiar, I will leave all the information down below as well as a link. So if you decide you would like to try it out for yourself, you can do so. And if you use that link, you'll save some money on your first box. So when we open it up, we have our description card, which is the same theme as our premium box, okay? Which is invite only. On the other side, of course, all the information about what's inside. So let's just jump right in. And the first item that we have is by the company Glow on 5th, all right? And this is the Refresh and Reset Brightening Mud Mask, and it says, dull, uneven skin has finally met its match. Brighten your skin's natural radiance by using the Ginger Mud Mask infused with ginger root and taurine to re-energize skin and minimize fatigue, boost circulation, and help with rehydration. It says you can use it 1 to 3 times per week and enjoy the gift of instant radiant skin, okay? Let's just open up this box and see what's here. It does say this, it actually has a 36-month shelf life, okay? This is a 100-gram size, and it says for external use only, okay? It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free. Okay, and let's just see what the inside packaging looks like. We're not going to open it up until we are indeed ready to use it. It does come with a little spatula or spoon, and so that you can dig the product right out. Well, it does have that ginger color to it. Can you see that? Okay, and the directions on it say, apply a thin layer to damp, clean skin, leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, and rinse off with warm water. So that is item number 1. Okay, so the second item that we have is by TRESTIQUE. All right, and it says it's a buildable foundation that helps to protect against the harmful effects of blue light. The weightless cream-based formula glides on effortlessly for a medium finish. This proprietary carrot, does that mean it's going to be orange? Okay, I'm sorry. Complex protects against the effects of blue light, while hyaluronic acid and Vita's actives work to promote a youthful appearance. The built-in sponge applies foundation seamlessly. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $30, and this one, as well as our first one, are new launches, okay? This is a 0.21 ounce size. I like the fact that this is refillable, I think. Okay, and it does also say that it is vegan, cruelty-free, and medium coverage with natural radiant finish for dark skin with warm undertones. So the shade that I have is Copacabana Chestnut. All right, let's take a look. And this one has an 18-month shelf life. Look at this packaging. It looks like a pencil. All right, so when we open it, all right, here's the sponge on the bottom, and here is the foundation on the top. All right, it is retractable, see? All right, so let me just put this shade on. Oh, that's a nice shade for me. Okay, can you see that? All right, I'm not sure about this sponge thing because for me, and I know that I am extra and we have had this conversation several times, but I need to be able to clean this. And right now, I don't necessarily see a way in which this can be cleaned. It's gotta be up, there we go. Well, I unscrewed it, so I guess that means when you get a new foundation, you also get a new sponge. But I need one that I can wash each time while I have this. So, all right, we'll see, but the coverage seems to be pretty nice, and it is a very nice looking shade. We'll see. We shall see. If it's too light, I'll be using it under eye. All right, so that is item number 2. Then item number 3 is this box right here. This is Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. And it says, give thirsty skin a drink of Milk Dew. This toner meets moisturizer, features a blend of apricot kernel oil, soybean extract, and sesame extract to deeply hydrate, condition, and smooth the skin. It's the perfect energy boost needed to revitalize dull, dehydrated skin. With its pH balancing formula, this vegan toner improves the skin's texture and tone. It also helps remove any last traces of dirt or excess oil that can cause breakouts or irritation. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $34. This is a new product to Boxy. And it says there are no... Oh, it says it's vegan, clean, and effective. And let's see what kind of shelf life. It says it has a 12-month shelf life, which I'm not surprised because it did say it was a clean product. So let's just open the box and see what it looks like. I know I'm not ready to open it yet because I do want to be able to use it all. So it does have that milky kind of look to it. Okay, so yeah. Well, we're going to have to check this one out. When we start using it, I will let you know. Okay, so that one is item number 3. Item number 4 is Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. And this is the packaging for that. And it says, it's rough out there, but lips don't need to be. Take a minute for some sexy self-care with Better Than Therapy Lip Oil infused with therapeutic vitamin E to give your pout some TLC. It's both a lip treatment and a delicious clear gloss. Use alone or as a perfect topper for lipsticks and lip liner when you want an ultra juicy look. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $18. This product is also vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and 10-free. That's interesting. Okay. And this says this is a female-owned and founded independent company. All right, and this one has a, I believe that says an 18-month shelf life. And this product is 0.10 fluid ounces. Okay, and here is the container. I have so many lip glosses open, so I'm just going to leave this one for now because the shelf life is only 12 months. So I'm going to leave it until I've gone through the last 3 that I have received. Okay, so that one is item number 4. And the last item that we have in this box is by AMNH Skincare, and this is the Unicorn Dreams Body Butter. And this is what the packaging looks like. That's the label, and that's the product. Okay, and it says, scented with notes of pink cotton candy, this dreamy body butter smells like it will melt in your mouth and is a delicious treat for the senses. It's sure to bring back childhood memories of pink and blue clouds, of decadent spun sugar, sweet lemon drops, raspberry, caramel, fig leaves, Sicilian orange, barba papa, I'm not sure what that is, lily of the valley, and powdery vanilla musk. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $20. All right. And this is a 4 fluid ounce size. It is also vegan, cruelty free, and a clean product. All right. I do not necessarily see a shelf life. So, but I want to open it because I think I need me a throat. Oh, beautiful. Oh, smell-o-vision, anyone? Look at that. Look at those swirls. Beautiful. But so nonetheless, oh, the smell is amazing. Okay, we'll put it down. So that is the last item in our BoxyCharm base box. How am I feeling about this? Well, I only have 2 makeup products, and they're really not makeup products. This one can act as a lip gloss, but this is actually a lip oil. So I think I'm going to categorize this in the skincare. So this month, this is all that we received as far as makeup is concerned. Now here's the problem. This is my choice item. This is my choice item, okay? So that was it. What would I have gotten if I didn't choose this? So I'm kind of having a moment because of all of the products that they showed would be in this box. I saw so many of them that are actually on my list. What do they call that thing? My profile. Okay, because they ask you to fill out and let them know what items it is that you would like to have in your box. Well, this is not it. Skincare, I can fall back on some of that right now because I have so much. And I know that I'll never make it through it all unless I stop all of these beauty boxes, and it would probably still take me about 2 years to get through everything. So nonetheless, but I guess they know I don't need another brush or whatever the case may be. So I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our BoxyCharm base box, which has these items enclosed, and down below you'll see the manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the items. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.